The Secretary-General of the Holy Shia Shrines in Iraq has announced the continuation of the expansion and development work at the shrine of Muslim bin Aqil's sons, peace be upon them, in the district of Musayyib in Babylon. The works include the construction of a health facility, a hall for religious events, and the eastern part where brick cutting is currently underway. It pointed out that the health facility at the shrine will consist of 44 units for men and equal number for women, in addition to a 200 square meter hall for religious events, explaining that the cutting of the eastern section, which will cover a total area of 2,000 square meters on 2 floors, is also continuing.